Today, we will see how to find HCF of 12, 18 and 24 using individual prime factorization method. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps once. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 12, 18 and 24 individually. Now, let us find the prime factorization of 12, 18 and 24. In the previous examples, we have already found the prime factorization of 12, 18 and 24. So, I am skipping this step. Step 2. Identify the common prime factors of 12, 18 and 24. Observe here 2 and 3 are the prime factors that are common to 12, 18 and 24. So, the common prime factors of 12, 18 and 24 are 2 and 3. Got it? Step 3. Multiply the common prime factors. In this case, the product of common prime factors is 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. Therefore, HCF of 12, 18 and 24 is 6. Got it? This means that 6 is the greatest positive integer that divides 12, 18 and 24 exactly without leaving any remainder. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.